Hi there! Hi everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, August the 21st, 2020. The last Sudoku, yes, the last Sudoku in this additional, and this will be number 1387. So let's get started. The first question is, can we see here the single box? Yes, I see the single box here. This is the single box, so it must be the one. We have a 1 here, that means these two boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5. The 5 should be there. 1 box left for the 2. These two boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 1 and the 2 goes here as a pair. Let me mark them. 1 and the 2. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left in this quarter box. 2 and the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them. The 2 and the 3. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 here, that means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes, the 1 and the 2. We have a 5 here, that means these 4 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. The 5 should be there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 1 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 should be here or there. I cannot place the 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. We have a 3 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes should be reserved for the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So these 2 boxes could be a 3. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Wait. This box should be a 5. It cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. So it should be the 5. Yeah. Yeah. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 should be in one of these 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 could be in these two boxes. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it must be a 5. This should be the 5. This box cannot be a 2 or 4 because we have a 2 and a 4 in this two boxes. So it cannot be a 2 or 4 or 3 or 5. So it must be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. We have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 2. Two boxes left. The 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. This cannot be a 2 because if it's a 2, these 4 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2. So the only place for the 2 should be here. But look, we have a 2 here. So this should be a 4. This should be a 2. So these 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So one place left for the 4 should be there. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 should be in these two boxes. Here we have a 1. Here it's also a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So this box should be a 1. It cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. This should be a 1. 2, 5, 5, 3, and 2, 3. Yes. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 should. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. This should be a 3. We have a 4 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 should be in what? In these two boxes. If I have a 4 here, that means this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this cannot be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be there. We have a 4 here. This box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. We have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 2. The 1 and the 2 are left. Oh my god. The pencil again. 1 and the 2. We see here 1. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. We have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be the 5. We have a 1 here. So these two boxes cannot be a 1. One box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Alright. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be the 4. We have a 2 here, so this can be a 2. This should be the 2 and this should be the 5. We have a 2 here, that means these two boxes can be a 2. One box left for the 2 should be there. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. This box... 4. We have a 2 here, so this can be a 2. This should be the 2. This should be the 4. 1. It cannot be a 1. 2 should be there. This cannot be a 4, so the 4 should be in one of these two boxes. We have a 2 here. That means this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 4. So one box left should be the 1. We have a 1 here, that means these two. Oh, no. No. 2 and a 4. 2, 5, 5, 3, 2, 3. This box cannot be a 2. I need a 2 in one of those two boxes. So this should be the 3. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3. This should be the 5, and this should be the 2. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 2 here, that means these two. 3 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 4 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching this video. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time, tomorrow, I think so. Bye bye for now. Have a great evening.